You know, I'm not usually much of a bandwagon kind of guy, but my last name is Dutton, and I've watched all of the first 3 seasons of Yellowstone. Figured I'd jump on the Dutton bandwagon. Got myself a hat. What the hell, you know? I only live once. What do you think, Sadie? Huh? Sadie Dutton, right? Another old house restoration. Another roof replacement. It's kind of how we start, you know, dry it in first sort of thing. And you can see that that was the original roof that was on the rest of the house. The old slats. We haven't gotten to the porch roof yet. They saved that for last. But we literally take it right to the joists because a lot of the old slats aren't even nailed on there very well at this point in their life. So we remove those. We put plywood on. Use ring shank nails so it's never coming back off. And look at what we get when we're done. Get a beautiful batch of reclaimed wood. It's a thing of beauty, don't you think? A little more expensive. Okay, maybe a lot more expensive. But we actually use ice and water shield on the entire roof. It's like a glue down membrane. It's self-adhesive and it sticks on when the sun hits it. It like just turns to absolute impenetrable membrane. And then we're doing the metal roof over that. So again, more expensive, but dude, we're in a hurricane zone. You don't want this stuff blowing off and you don't want it leaking. It's gonna be like forever. Sadie, we're gonna go in the house. Let's go check it out. Come here. We don't have the keys to our own house. We go through this quite a bit, don't we? Oh my God. So? What do you think?
I love it.
Don't you though? It's a start over situation. That's right, I said start. I hadn't considered that, but we could. We could. We already took this wall out, that wall out, got the beams up. We're good. I think it's looking good, huh?
I do too. I can't figure it out.
What do you think, Sadie? I know. We're going to take some head scratch. So we're over at our cottage near Greenfield Lake that we're restoring. That was the door on one side of the house. We're going to delete that. That is no longer going to be the door. What we've done is we've added this nice little patio deck in the back corner of the house. And this is now the door to the back of the house. It's freaking epic. Look, glass doors are always a good thing as far as letting in beautiful natural light. Hang on, let me spin around. Besides, Sadie wants to come in. Come on, Sadie. We're showing them the house. Look how much light that lets into the house. Not that it was very dark to begin with, but it brightens it even better. So we are rewiring, replumbing, re-HVACing, re-insulating, rebuilding. We've got a new metal roof on this house. It's just to die for. It's like ants crawling all over the place here, getting the place done. It's gonna be a gorgeous little cottage. That's not one of the damn cutest cottages you've ever seen. I mean, that's got cute cottage written all over it. It's just screaming, cute cottage! Right over here by Greenfield Lake, Wilmington, North Carolina. Right there downtown. God, it's to die for. So I'm here with my buddy Mike and of course our beautiful Sadie, and we are getting these gorgeous original wood floors ready for polyurethane in our Greenfield Lake Cottage. I'm gonna walk backwards because like you just have to see. Look at the floors. Now they've been sanded. We got a few little details to finish up. Hold on, let me get you into this bedroom over here. Watch this. Look at this. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Chandler Bing. Will you look at that? Hold on. This room's about ready. Oh, well, you just look at that. Whenever I see floors like that, I say, well, you just look at that. It is finally complete and going on the market next week. This is a sneak peek of our Greenfield Lake Cottage at 607 Hart Street. That is H-A-R-T, Hart Street. It is an adorably delicious cottage on a nice big lot. Look at that kitchen with a beautiful breakfast bar, stainless appliances. I've already bragged about the floor, so I won't go on and on about that. We got a separate laundry pantry. We'll do a quick walk in here into cute little bathroom. Again, original restored wood floors. Look at this master suite. It is a suite, master suite. It's beautiful. Nice. Oh, may I point out a few of the old antique restored house details, like these delicious glass doorknobs and brass hardware. Look, hey, there's another one right there. I love that kind of stuff. I hope you do too. Somebody's gonna love it. Another bedroom over here. Oh, glass doorknobs again. I mean, this stuff is just the stuff dreams are made of. It's a little dollhouse. And it is going on the market next week. 607 Hart Street, Wilmington, North Carolina. Greenfield Lake is like right there. Got a nice private backyard. Great little neighborhood. Look at that. You got a fireplace. Well, you just look at that. Here's the front view of our Greenfield Lake Cottage. It's just the sweetest little cottage style architecture, original, like built in 1942. We've been going with metal roofs a lot lately. They don't leak, they don't blow off in hurricanes. Brand new metal roof. Of course, all the infrastructure is brand new. Wiring, plumbing, HVAC, old house, new stuff. It just takes the headaches out of what old houses are notoriously known for, which is pain in the ass infrastructure. You won't have that problem. Flag goes up. 607 Hart Street, Wilmington, North Carolina. Right by Greenfield Lake. Greenfield Lake's like right there. It's literally right there. Ain't that just the cutest? Oop, look. Let me get out of the frame for just a minute so one can appreciate the deliciousness and adorableness of this cottage at Greenfield Lake. Steve Dutton, Swan Song Properties.